In this video, I'll guide you through how to add an Instagram feed to your Squarespace website. Whether you're looking to showcase your latest posts or maintain an engaging visual presence, integrating your Instagram feed is a fantastic way to keep your content fresh and dynamic. Let's dive in and get started. First, head over to your Squarespace site and open the page where you want to add the Instagram feed. This could be your homepage, a blog page, or any other section where you think your Instagram content would shine. Once you're on the right page, click on the edit button to enter the page editor. Next, you'll want to add a new block to your page. To do this, click the plus icon to add a block, and from the list of options, select the Instagram block. This will insert a placeholder on your page, and you'll be prompted to configure the design to suit your style and needs. Now, let's move on to configuring the design of your Instagram feed. In the settings panel, you'll find two main tabs, content and design. Let's start with the content tab. Here, you'll need to select your connected Instagram account. If you haven't connected your account yet, you may need to do that through your Squarespace settings. Once your account is connected, you can choose how many Instagram items you want to display on your site. You can select up to 20 items depending on how much content you want your visitors to see at a glance. Once you've configured the content, switch over to the Design tab. This is where you can really personalize how your Instagram feed looks on your site. You have several layout options to choose from: grid, stacked, carousel, or slideshow. Each layout offers a unique way to present your images and will change the dynamic of how your feed is perceived. For example, a grid layout neatly arranges your posts in a uniform pattern, while a carousel allows users to scroll through your posts horizontally, one at a time. Consider what best matches your website's aesthetic and enhances the overall user experience. After you've selected your preferred design, make sure everything looks just right. Preview your page to see how the Instagram feed fits with the rest of your content. It's always a good idea to check how it looks on different devices, such as mobile and tablet, to ensure the layout is responsive and visually appealing across platforms. Once you're satisfied with how everything is set up, it's time to save your work. Simply click the Save button in the upper left corner of the page editor. This will ensure that all your changes are applied and your Instagram feed is live on your Squarespace site. And there you have it. You've successfully added an Instagram feed to your Squarespace website. This integration not only keeps your site visually engaging, but also encourages visitors to interact with your social media, creating a seamless connection between your website and your online presence. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to explore other customization options to further enhance your Squarespace site. Until next time.